The assessment that I'm going to be talking about today is the Postural Assessment Scale for Stroke, also called the PASS. The Postural Assessment Scale for Stroke is an assessment tool for adults aged 18 to 64 and older adults 65 years and older. It is used for individuals diagnosed with a stroke. Common settings that this assessment can be utilized in are acute rehabilitation, inpatient rehabilitation, home health, outpatient, and skilled nursing facility and subacute rehabilitations. The PASS is used to assess and monitor the postural control of an individual after a stroke. It is a performance-based assessment with two sections. The first section, which is the first 5 items, focuses on maintaining posture and on static postural assessment. The second section has 7 items and focuses on changing posture and dynamic assessment. There are 12 items that are assessed in total. The 12 items on the scale become increasingly difficult and measures balance in lying, sitting, and standing. Scoring is based on a 4-point scale where items are scored from 0 to 3. 0 is the lowest score of functionality and 3 is the highest. The total score ranges from 0 to 36. The scoring is based upon how much assistance is needed during each of the tasks. This test is free to use. It takes about 10 minutes to administer, and there's no training required, but the clinician should have some knowledge regarding balance impairments and related safety concerns following a stroke. The items that you will need to administer this assessment is a stopwatch, a pen, and a 50 centimeter high examination table for when you get to the section related to changing posture.